Right, let's unbox this TYMO wave curling iron. My husband got this for me for my birthday, so I'm going to unbox this and show you what it looks like, and then we'll style my hair with it. So as you can see, the grooves in there. It has the on and off button and a timer and up and down for the heat temperature down here. As you can see, it says off, on button, which is inside of here. There we go. And it's heating up. You can see it actually moving there. Wow, that is already heated up. Oh my goodness. Everything heats up in seconds. So it's already 200 degrees. Whew, okay. I thought we were gonna have to wait a second to let it heat up, but we do not. Wait for the beep. Next hair. You're gonna wait for the beep. All right, go down. Go. Supposed to wait for the beep, and that's when you know you can move down. Okay, I love it. Waiting for the beep. I love this. Okay, so super easy, quick way to do your hair. So heats up super fast. And then I would just put big chunks of hair in here, close it, wait for the beep, come down some, close it, wait for the beep. So now that I've got the hang of it, this is gonna take me no time to do my hair. It just looks super fun, very pretty, and super easy to do. This was the perfect birthday gift.